Pastor Enoch Adeboye has urged Nigerians, especially the youths, to move beyond criticizing leadership failures and instead build the capacity to provide solutions. Now, waiting person will call himself pastor suppose they talk. Most of all these pastors that you are seeing are political pastors. In Igbo language, guess what we call hakerolueke. They share work. And these pastors are doing their own work. The job of these pastors is to keep Nigerians distracted, is to keep Nigerians away from reality by programming Nigerians to keep depending on God and making them to believe that the devil is their problem. Now look at this one again. God ordained Buhari, Osinbajo as our leaders. They will deliver by Kumuyi. Now Pastor Kumuyi talk this one. Did that prophecy come to pass? No, this man is a fake pastor. Enoch Adeboye is a fake pastor. People that their prophecies don't come to pass, your sense supposed to tell you say these people are fake. But because I say they don't program on our emotions since childhood, make una believe all these people are men of God. You now why you go see so many of our people they defend them? Hey, stop talking to my papa like that. Stop talking to my pastor like that. He's a man of God. Man of God where they move with army, DSS and police. Why not wait make that God the protector? How many times have you seen all these jet pastors stand in that their pulpit and call out the bad politicians in Nigeria? When 200 people were massacred in Benue State, tell me one jet pastor in Nigeria that spoke against it. Tell me one jet pastor in Nigeria that dragged the military of Nigeria for not providing security. How many of them dragged President Tinubu, telling him that under his administration, Fulani herdsmen are killing people, bandits are killing people, terrorists are killing people? How many of these pastors you don't see come out for pulpit talk? Instead, they are busy telling you, pay your tithes, pay your offering, put your hand in your pocket and bring out the last kobo in your pocket, use it and sow a seed. Your tithe is this, your offering is that. That is the only thing that they are preaching to you. Nigeria is the most religious country, yet Nigeria is backward because these people have destroyed the brain of so many Nigerians, making you to believe that the devil is the problem of your life. Just imagine what this one they talk. Stop criticizing leadership failures. Can you imagine? Fake pastors everywhere. These people are campaigning for politicians. The same Adeboye that protested against Gulo Jonathan is nowhere to be found to protest against his own brother Tinubu. YARIBA pastors are tribalistic. These people are so tribalistic. Any Igbo person that is calling these two men prophets, that Igbo person, he not just know what they talk. What is a prophet? Who is a prophet? A prophet must not have a religion. A prophet is a person that is fighting on your behalf for you to be successful, for you to be alive, for you to be saved. That is a prophet. Have these pastors fought on your behalf? No. Have they dragged the government of Nigeria on your behalf? No. Have they provided security for this country on your behalf? No. So why are you still seeing these criminals and thieves as prophets? Why are you seeing these fake pastors as prophets? Igbo people, stop going to the churches of these evil people. These people not good. But the thing is, so many Igbo people, they no one reason. Religion don't scatter so many Igbo people head. In this country, Nigeria, Igbos are more religious than tribal. An Igbo man is ready to fight his fellow Igbo man because of all these jet pastors. Telling you, stop insulting my papa, leave it. The ways of the Lord is not the ways of man. Don't judge the man of God, or you shall be judged. That verse for Bible might be the verse where make so many Christians not get sense. They go see what this man do, this their pastor do, say this thing totally evil. Instead of them to speak against it, they will say, don't judge the man of God. The other time, Father Mbaka said that Buhari is the Messiah. That Goodluck Jonathan is bad luck. That Buhari is the Messiah. That God gave us Buhari to liberate us. That God brought Buhari to liberate Nigeria. Buhari comes scatter Nigeria. That alone is supposed to say Father Mbaka is a liar. Not because God tell him anything. Fake pastors and fake miracles everywhere. Look at herdsmen killing people everywhere in Igbo land. Under Buhari regime, herdsmen was killing people, slaughtering people everywhere in Igbo land, everywhere in the country. Where was Father Mbaka to speak against it? Did Father Mbaka drag Buhari for that? Father Mbaka said that Buhari came to save us. He's God sent. You can't be say God sent Buhari to come and kill us. Where Father Mbaka, he's nowhere to be found. Fake pastors, fake people that call themselves prophets. Tinubu is God sent. 200 people were slaughtered in Benue State. Where are these pastors to speak against it? Where are they to drag Tinubu for it? No, they are nowhere to be found. And you go see person where they say, herdsmen don't pursue their community, come out. Their community is deserted. You go see the idiot for another place. Go tell you, say, stop dragging my papa. Stop dragging my papa. Papa, where they say, DSS, they guide them. Army, they guide them. Police, they guide them. Mopo, they guide them. You they defend person where they say, his life is intact. During campaign, all these pastors, politicians, they meet them, give them big money, go and campaign for me. You have so many followers that believe in you. Anything you tell them, they must agree. Tell them to vote for me. And that is why you will see them coming out to tell you that this politician is the best. Vote for him. This one they talk say Buhari and the Simbajo, they are the best. God said that they are the best for us. Where is the best now inside them? None, nowhere. And you go still see a religious slave will come out and be defending them. People where they say their prophecy now they come to pass. Is that not enough reason for you to know that these people are fake? Africa is the most religious yet most backward. The major devil holding Nigeria backward is politics. Now politicians hold Nigeria backward. And they don't share what give all these pastors where they say, pastors, be preaching to these people that the devil is their problem. Be preaching to them that now ancestral curse they hold them. Be preaching to these people, make them to believe and understand that they're not they serve God well. They're not believe in God. That is why they are poor. Make them to believe that they don't have God in their life. They are committing a lot of sin. That is why they are suffering. So these pastors go come, they deceive una. The major people in Nigeria that don't want Nigeria to succeed are pastors. Let me tell you why. If Nigeria start to get steady light, if there is security in Nigeria, security day, the protection of life and property is secured. If there is enough jobs in Nigeria, job day, if there is food in Nigeria, if the government of Nigeria is providing everything for the people and life is now sweet for the people, you go see say so many Nigerians will stop going to church. Church go there empty. And these pastors don't want it. So that is why these pastors are not preaching what will benefit the people. If you go church, they're not they teach about how to make money. They're not they teach about how to invest. They're not they teach on how to put your mind in science and technology. They're not they teach all those things. All they are teaching is heaven, hellfire, heaven, hellfire, tithes, offering, tithes, offering. That is the only thing that they are preaching there. Taking your mind away from reality. Taking your mind away from technology. Programming you to be stupid. Look at all these countries that are so successful. China, Japan, all these countries, they not get time to they pray to be successful. They work, they invest in technology. China, they see 2060. Nigerians still there, they talk about heaven. Why? All these pastors are programming people. Imagine how many members when they go to the church of these pastors, where they don't deceive. If Nigeria better today, so many people will stop going to church. Because the reason why Nigerians are going to church is because they are expecting miracle to happen in their lives. Everything will be miracle. Person they sick, carry them go hospital, pay money, they go treat and wear. In Nigeria, we don't have good hospitals. All those things no matter to these pastors. Instead of telling the government build good hospitals. No, they're not going to talk that one. They are busy telling you about heaven and hellfire. I drank tea with the Lord. I get room for heaven. The Lord, I already made my room in heaven. Just imagine. If heaven is so sweet, why you not die now? Make you go that heaven. All these pastors are thieves. But many of them are not go here. If Nigeria good today, so many churches will be closed down. They won't be closed down, say, nah, government will close them down. People will stop going to church because the reason why Nigerians are going to church is because of miracle. They expect miracle. Nigerians are now expecting miracle to treat their sick ones. Nigerians are now expecting miracle to have lights. Nigerians are now expecting miracle to have job. You not get job. Instead of you to the drag government provide jobs. You they drag devil. Devil made me not to have job. My family juju, they pursue me. Ancestral cause, they pursue me. I not get job. Now only you not get job. Do you know how many Nigerian youth that don't have job? Delta State University Abraka, do you know how many thousand people that are graduating every year? So many universities in Rivers State, so many in Anambra State, Enugu State, the whole universities in the country, they are producing thousands of graduates every year, no job. And you will not get job. They thought saying that your family you make you not get job. Your brain have been destroyed. The churches, all these people, they don't destroy your brain. That is why so many of our people don't reason. If you they get problem, now government be your problem. Not spiritual or anything. Now government be your problem. And they have used these pastors to cage your brain by making you to focus on irrelevant things. See what all these pastors they talk. Since Hesman don't they keep people for Yariba land, how many of these pastors have you seen speaking against it? Speaking against the killing of Yariba people by bandits and terrorists. How many of them have you seen? Light not the country. You don't ever see these people talk about them. All they know is heaven, hellfire. I drink tea for heaven. Doing fake miracle everywhere. Igbo people, stop going to Yariba churches. Stop going to Yariba churches. All these people are very bad people. They are not mean well for you. Tribalistic people want to drag their brother. All these people are not prophets. True prophets are people that are doing everything possible to make sure that you succeed, to make sure that you are successful. That is a prophet. A prophet must not be a Christian. A prophet must not be a pastor. If your papa they teach you sense, they work for you to be succeed. Your papa they do everything to make sure that my son, my daughter succeed. Your father is a prophet. Our ancestors that died during the war on our behalf, they are our prophets. That is prophets. Not be thief where they utter they collect your money. They preach rubbish they give you. Be your prophet. All these people are not prophets. We will keep enlightening our people. Igbo people, stop going to Yariba churches. A word is enough for the wise. You share worry.